What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host here, Jay, with Auto Ego, and in today's video we're going to be doing a point of view drive in the 2019 Mustang GT Premium with the performance pack. So it's going to be a very cool drive, and I have the active exhaust in track so you guys can hear, if I roll down the window here, that it sounds absolutely insane. And just for reference, guys, we are in Mexico, Juarez. You boys like Mexico? Yeah! Anyways, guys, it's a cool point of view drive. I always wanted to do this. This is what I see every time I drive. You know, you got the Apple CarPlay going on over there, and then you have the 12-inch digital gauge cluster as we hit a red light. So we're gonna have to wait here. All right, guys, a little bit off topic. The pricing video for this 2019 Mustang GT is coming up, so don't worry. It's gonna be the next video I upload after this one, as we're trying to catch up to that Camaro. Oh, it's going away. No, I wanted it to go on the freeway. So, well, there it goes. Peace, Camaro. All right, guys, let's go ahead and head to the on-ramp and give this a little pull so you guys can see what it's all about in owning a 2019 Mustang GT. As I hit a bump on the road, these roads are horrible. All right, let's let it rip. Oh yeah, this thing pulls. Oh, it definitely pulls. And it pulls hard. See content like this all the time, and I always wanted to do one, but I never really had a GoPro, so I went to go buy a GoPro just for this. And this is a Hero 7 with the stabilizer. So you guys are getting buttery smooth footage. So that's pretty good. We're gonna hit another red light here. And I will be taking this car to the drag strip real soon. And if you guys just want a point of view drive where I don't say anything and just stay quiet, just let me know in the comment section down below, and that is definitely something that I can make happen. If the demand is there, I can make it happen. These red lights will be the death of me, as we're just wasting time. Okay, here we go. I'd be horrible at the drag strip. It turns green and I don't hit the gas. I take too long. Oh, really? There it is, guys, the death of me, the red lights. All right, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of the drive, of the point of view drive videos. Do you guys like them? Do you guys hate them? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I hope you guys are having a great day and have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Again, like, share, and subscribe to join the Auto Army, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out.